I'm out of breath, honestly. I just did abs till I felt like I couldn't do it anymore. So that's always fun. Anyways, leaving the gym. There was a live DJ in there today, so I don't know how I feel about that. A lot of people here, I guess, for that, weirdly enough. But anyways, pretty good workout, I must say. I had a good chest workout, triceps. Didn't go too heavy, but heavy enough to get a good pump. Lately I've just been doing sets of 8 reps, about three to 4 sets, 8 reps max. Try to get at least 6 reps. I feel like that's where I build the most muscle. Whenever I go lightweight, high rep range, it's never really never really gives me like a good pump. Just sort of exhausts me. So sticking in that low to mid-range reps, heavier weight. That's where I see the most impact. Try it out if you haven't. I don't know if you're into working out. I remember when I first started working out, I would do like 12. I would do like 4 sets. First set 12 reps, second set 10, 8, 8, and then maybe a burnout. That was pretty good too. I might get back into that, but anyways, I'm tired. I hope you had a great Monday. Not really sure what day it'll be by the time I upload this. I got a few videos I need to upload. So we'll see, but summer's almost over. It's crazy. It flew by this year. I feel like I didn't really do much, but I know I'll miss the sunny weather, the hot weather, the longer days. As soon as that cold front rolls in, I'll be missing it. But I'm ready for fall, man. I'm ready for football season. The Seahawks probably aren't going to do good this year. I think we're projected to be last in our division. Let's fucking go. Last, baby. Yes. That's what I love. Just kidding. I'm just, I don't get my hopes up anymore. Being a Seahawks fan, it's not that easy. So I'm gonna go home, pick up a rotisserie chicken on the way home from the grocery store. I got salad at home. I'll make like a nice little Caesar salad. Oh, I'm also gonna pick up a red bell pepper. Pull apart the rotisserie chicken, dice up the red bell pepper, throw it in the salad, throw some garlic bread in the oven. That's gonna be my dinner for the night. Trying to stay healthier, on the healthier side, I should say. I've definitely had my days this week. Last couple days. I hear a siren somewhere. I don't feel like I was speeding. Was I? I don't think so. But anyways, trying to eat healthier. It's hard. hard to stay consistent with your diet, especially when the weekend rolls around, or when you run out of like food in your fridge and you don't feel like grocery shopping. I miss the days when I lived at my parents' house and there was always a good meal waiting for me at home. So if you're listening to this, man, you got the blessing of having a parent, or even, you know, better yet, both your parents, if you're lucky enough to have both your parents, you know, as I was, man, I have a great family that I love very much. Both my mom and dad just did a great job, supported me when I was younger. They made sure I ate good. That's one thing they did really well. And the older I get, man, the further I get away from that, the more I miss that. So if you're lucky enough to have that, take advantage of it, but be grateful for it, because it's not gonna be there forever, you know. That love won't be there forever, in the form of good home cooking, I should say. So I live about an hour away from my parents, but I'm trying to move back closer to them so that I can spend more time with them. My dad's retiring this year, so, you know, they're getting up to that age where they got more free time, and, you know, you work your whole life to raise a family and quit your job basically and spend your time how you want to. So that's where they're heading. Me, on the other hand, I'm in the thick of it. I'm in the thick of it for sure. But I am trying to start a family soon, get married. I have a wonderful girlfriend that I've been dating for a long time, and I got to put a ring on it. And I got to start getting my life together, man. This M4 was sort of my last little gift for myself. Ooh. But I just gotta stay grinding so I can continue to afford fun things like this. But next goal is a home. Either a wedding or a home first. I'm not really sure which. But yeah, I hate pulling up against a curb like this, so gotta have that front sensor, man. If you don't have that front sensor, just smash that front lip, break it in half. Never to be seen again. Just kidding. I hope my front lip lasts a while. We'll see once I get the coilovers on. Anyways, that's all for me, man. Appreciate you watching. I'm gonna go hit the wonderful QFC, Quality Food Center. I think that's what yeah. And like I said, rotisserie chicken, salad, little bell pepper in there. Forgot I have a bell pepper actually, so I don't need to get that. But anyways, you don't need to worry about that. I appreciate you watching. I hope your life's good out there, man. I hope you're making the most of it. If you made it this far, I hope blessings are coming your way. I hope you're not giving up on your dreams, and you're working hard to make them a reality, man. That's what this channel's all about. Just getting to connect with you guys and try to help you stay motivated, help you keep working hard, and not give up. Don't give up. You know, as long as I'm here to create these videos, it goes both ways. You motivate me to keep it pushing and get through my 9 to 5 so that I can do this and share my thoughts with you and go to the gym, stay healthy, eat healthy, and slowly but surely stack up the bricks and build a better life for yourself. So with that, I will leave you to it. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, hit that sub button, drop a like, drop a comment, man. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you want to hear. I really enjoy making these videos and getting to know you all and slowly building this little community here at Freezy M4. So anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.